us for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hey beautiful family, and Ndebele is back with yet another video. To my returning service, thank you so much guys for returning. I really appreciate you guys rock. And to my new subscribers, welcome and thank you so much guys for tuning in. My name is Ndebele, Mrs. K Ndebele. So guys, spend a day with me. Ngikotiza ekagwami. Namhlanje I will be doing my house chores as a wife, as a Ndebele wife. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. So I am done preparing myself for a day. I am ready for a day. I'm wearing this blanket and then this dress nayo ngayithola nangendrabane i-first coat. Yes, it's a first coat. I don't know if nayibona. Yeah, it's ngithengiwa kubi Curtain Dream. And then I will before I am going any further, I need to put this on my face. I didn't moisturize my face because I need my pores on. So now I am putting the sunscreen. Mina ngithoma ngokuyispray and then ngihlanganise bese kan ngifake ebusweni. Ane? Yeah. Is ilo ingane iyahwelela. So yeah. So that's that. Jana sengicedile ke ukufaka i-sun protect. Ngikwerekela ngeni khulu namhlanje. Not cool, not really cool, but ziyazibingisela ngeni. Nabo zibingisela ngeni. So I need to go and prepare a cereal because breakfast is an important meal of the day. I do eat breakfast every day. So so now I need my breakfast. Everything. Then I need to get going. I need to get working. So now I am going to do my work. Talk to you again later. But again, zobening bonang peeling bereka lapha nalapha ngibamba angisho. Yeah, so it's coming. Kuyatshisa phela la. Ngemzina tshisa kakhulu. So ngibathe ingwani le ngifaka yona vena nangiberekako. Ngibereka ngayo ngiphithizela ngayo. Imabaleni wakawuli. Yeah, imabaleni wakawuli ngiphithizela ngayo. Yeah, I'm ready for the day, man. I will start with my breakfast, my cereal.
I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory was to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm.
And a sinner, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh. with me.
So, no more broken hearts, no more. No more broken, no more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't you? You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Sipping through your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours, yes. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you lean in. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
Thank you.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of oh, oh, friend, I wish you knew the measure of the love Jesus poured out for you. There's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of oh,
I'm up and down like a pogo.
Hands up like a pole. Your love is divine. It never subsides. Seen through creative manifestations. That's been through here generations. Never failed me, never failed me. From the beginning of time.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake.
Doing so pretty much in a.
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me, everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will
Isikhathi sokubuya kwenkomo ke nje. Inkomo ziyabuya.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie you want.
Yes, that's alright. Lapho my honeys. So we've come to the end of this vlog. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching till this far. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, and connect with me in all my social media platforms. I am Mrs. William. So guys, please do share. I really appreciate you all. We are currently sitting on 380 subscribers, road to 500 subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy being here. Bye.
This moment is the day that the Lord has made.